Hello, it's me, Richard. Today is January 3, 2021. It's about 12:30 in the afternoon. Uh, I just want to share something on a personal level. I went to a grocery market locally here, um, and there was a fight. It was over something stupid. I know that everybody is on edge. You go to a gas station, you go to a market, people tend to be tense, and we're going through a pandemic. I just wanted to just say that please, don't overreact. Over something small, something stupid. Stay calm. We're going through a pandemic. People have lost jobs. There is a moratorium on evictions, and it's really rough and tough for everyone. And we got a $600 stimulus payment from Congress. Thank God for that. Don't overreact. Stay calm. People cut you off on the freeway, on the road. Don't get mad. Stay calm. We all have to pull together to get through this pandemic, get our jobs back, hope for a better economy. But anyways, I'm going to get into Dogecoin. I did release a couple of videos Saturday and Friday. What I'm showing you here, I mentioned that I'm into art. I've been collecting art for the last 30 years. And this one is an artist, M.R. Dugan. There's a very large painting of the same artist at the Hilton Hotel in Palm Springs. I picked this one up at Rancho Mirage from a wealthy estate. I got it at a good deal, but at any rate, it's the same artist. I've got a website. I'm going to be launching that in the next month, maybe sooner, online. Antique art, oil paintings, and I'm hoping to, cater to customers that appreciate art, that want to buy original art. And this one here, I love this one. This one is about 4 feet by 5 feet, and it's a picture. It's an original oil on canvas, and it's a scene out of Africa, with elephants and zebras in the background. Hope you can see that. And I'm going to be asking about $2 million for this one online, and I'm going to, hopefully a collector, maybe out from Dubai in the Middle East would want to purchase this to hang on their walls. And I'll be giving some educational tips, some education on art in the next several weeks. Art is my passion. I'm not an artist, but I do love art, and there's a lot that goes into it. It's a different world. But anyways, back to Dogecoin. Dogecoin, it's about 12:51 in the afternoon, and it's still around 1900 and a half, 1952, and you see it fluctuates. It's been holding steady from yesterday. I know that it's gone up to $2,600 at some point yesterday afternoon, but it's still holding steady. And there's a couple of points that I wanted to mention. Let's go to coin market cap. Here, I did show this yesterday, and it lists all the electronic currency in the world here. And Bitcoin has gone up. I believe it broke $34,000 this morning. It's hovering around 33,000. I did mention about Ethereum, $700 yesterday. Look at it now. It's $926. Tether is still the same. And I did talk about market cap. A lot of money is out there. It's being held by billionaires and multimillionaires. It's, Bitcoin is at $622 billion. That's a lot. Ethereum is 108 million. So Dogecoin ranked 24, I believe, on this list. We've got all kinds of electronic currency. Here we go. Dogecoin. Right there. 24 on this list. I believe it was a lot lower yesterday, so it's climbing up. I believe it went up to about 21 today, and it dropped back down to 24. I could be mistaken. But you got to ask yourself, okay, so what is pushing up all of this cryptocurrency? And I wanted to share an article. This is published December 18, 2020. Big investors new to cryptocurrency appear to be behind Bitcoin rally to a record. So it takes big money to move these currencies, the way it's gone up. And investors who bought at least 1,000 Bitcoins worth roughly 23 million at Friday's prices. And they've also had an account open for less than a year. So they're new, they're buying into it recently without having years of experience in electronic currency. And it's driven a significant demand since September. A new cohort together bought 500,000 Bitcoins, $11.5 billion worth in the past 3 months. That's a lot. And the role of institutional investors is becoming ever clearer in the data. Philip Gradwell, a chief economist at Chain Analysis. So that's what I mentioned in my last couple of videos about Wall Street. Big money coming into cryptocurrency. And this is what's going to drive it higher. So there's a herd of new big investors are scooping up Bitcoin this year as a price more than doubles. Investors who bought at least 1,000 Bitcoins worth roughly 23 million at Friday's prices. That is a significant role as to Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and the other currencies. Ethereum, why it's going up is because people such as these have big pockets. And, I really think this is interesting. It's kind of, January is going to be an interesting month because due to all the hype that's going into Bitcoin especially, I think tomorrow, Wall Street, their ears are they've got wind of this right now. So Monday's going to be interesting to see where Bitcoin will go. I think it'll go up a lot higher. There's a race to buy up Bitcoin. So yesterday I said that Bitcoin, it's a closed supply. It's supply and demand. So more money goes into it. It drives the demand up, and then the price goes up. That's all it is to it. There's really no science. I've seen some other YouTubers doing analysis on where to buy, where to sell. It's all risk. It's all risk and returns. That's the bottom line. Supply and demand, risk, what your risk appetite is, and what your expectations for returns are. And savings accounts are not even getting 1% these days. Real estate, there's been a moratorium on rent collections for the last year. So landlords are having a tough time paying bills. They have to pay their bills, the mortgage on the properties. The rate of returns on real estate are roughly around 7% annual. So with more risk appetite, you get into crypto, you potentially can see bigger returns. And I think this is where it's going in January. Another thing about Elon Musk is that everybody has been talking about Elon Musk. Well, this article was published, I think it was around December 12th of 2020. Well, between December 12th and January 1st, January 1st is when really Dogecoin started to hit the 1 cent mark. January 2nd, January 1st, that was just yesterday and the day before. There was actually 9 days between this article that was published about Elon Musk tweeting about Bitcoin, and that's kind of a long way. I really feel that this article really didn't have any profound influence on Bitcoin and Dogecoin. I'm saying that because 9 days is more than a week, and I think the underlying reason why Bitcoin has really gone up is that there are persons out there, entities with a lot of money, and they have to park it somewhere. Banks are insured up to $250,000 in the United States. So there's a lot of risk. So if they have, let's say, $50 million to park their money, what are they going to do? The only way for them to get insurance on money in just regular checking accounts, they would have to open up maybe like 50 accounts for all that money. I'm just roughing it out. But, FDIC just covers about $250,000 for each account. Anything over $250,000, if the bank crashes, you lose out on that. So right now, the entities out there in the world are looking for returns. There's a lot of money out there. I don't have money. I'm a struggling accountant, and I dabble in art. I know most of you don't have a big bankroll. But they're out there in the world. They truly are, and that's what's pushing Bitcoin and Dogecoin through the roof. It's going through the roof. It's shooting the moon. Where it's going to be Monday, tomorrow, I don't know. I really don't know. I have a feeling Wall Street is going to get into it this week. Elon Musk talks about Bitcoin. He doesn't like Bitcoin. He likes Dogecoin, apparently. He said in his tweet that he is a former CEO of Dogecoin, which is not true. But I think it's just like a tantalizing headline to put that statement out there. But the article is there. Anyways, there was another article about Angela White. She's an adult film star. She tweeted about Dogecoin. And that was published on January 2nd, yesterday. So anyways, she tweeted and Dogecoin goes up, 125%. So anyways, I just wanted to share this video with you. It's kind of an interesting month that we're getting into. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not advising anybody to invest in practically anything. I'm not a financial advisor. Again, I stated in my previous videos. I have accounting experience, 30 years. And I know a lot about financial, information, contracts. This is all risk. It's all about risk and rewards. That's all it is. You have, if you have money, please maintain a mental well balance. Pay your bills, pay your rent, pay your mortgage first. Buy your food. Make sure there's food on the table. If you have a little bit more, and you want to just dabble, this is all controlled gambling. That's all it is. It's all a gamble. And, you see fit on how you want to achieve your returns with your risk appetite. But at any rate, I'm not advising anybody. I do want to share what I believe in. And, if you can take something out of what I'm sharing with you for the better, I wish you well. And this is all for entertainment. Please hit the like button. Share your comments. People are reading the comments below. We want to share our knowledge with everyone. We want to be nice to everybody, and please don't overreact to something stupid out there. When you're driving, you're going to the market, getting groceries, getting gas, just be very calm. We'll get through this pandemic. I wish everybody well, and thank you for watching my channel, my video, and I'll be putting up another one tomorrow, Monday. Thank you. Bye.